Hello viewer, welcome to Workworks Automation and Control channel. Today we make AC outside. So let's start. First of all, we take three DC 12-volt fan, then air reflector 3 number. This reflector reflects the cool air. The third one is Peltier module. We take 3 Peltier module using in this project. One DC 12-volt pump. So guys, aluminum pipe easily available in aluminum stores also. So after that, we are using important thing, that is aluminum bar, 4 inches into 1 inches, also available in aluminum store for heat conductions. A plastic pipe as desired. So nipples for water flows, paste and some accessories. So let's start. First of all, we take aluminum bar. Now we have a water nozzle. We attach this water nozzle in it and using some silicone around it to avoid any leakage. Carefully, then we fix it the hole. Now it's ready. Again, we use some silicone for leakage, to avoid leakage, because heavy water flow in this jackets, hot water is flow in this jacket. So carefully we fix it with proper sealant also. Now guys, here it is. It's almost we tied our nut on it. Now it's ready. Here it is. Yes. Okay. Then after this, we tried the other one. The one wall is used for inlet and the other one is outlet. So both are so important. This water nozzle is used for inlet. On so after that we use the end cover, the rubber end cover, using some silicone. This silicone is also avoid the leakage, because guys, heavy flow of waters are present here, so be careful when you are using the silicone, and use properly the end caps to avoid any type of leakage. So here it is. Now almost we are drawing. Then fix it. The first rubber, then aluminum cap to 4 inches by 1 aluminum pipe. So we tied the screws with the screwdrivers. Be carefully, guys. Okay, after tied, we cut all extra material to make wood finishing. We use grinder. With the grinder, you carefully using the baby grinders. So viewers, second one, after doing this, we are preparing the water jet jackets, the hot water jet jackets that flow heavy amount of water in this. Now guys, so we prepare separation sheet. This sheet is so important because it separates the heat portion to cool portion. Now after that we use our first Peltier modules. Peltier modules, you know that these modules used for cooling or as well as heating purpose. In our project we use for cooling purpose only. So the upside is cooling, downside is heating in the Peltier module. These upper sides are cool when we apply 12 DC volt. So same arrangement, we place some paste, that is heat conduction paste, because our heat is dissipates in lower part of the Peltier modules. So carefully place all the paste on all sides. So place the hot water jackets. Now the third one also doing the same process. We just place the heat conductions paste on it. Now viewer, it's almost completed now. Okay, check all modules connect with water jet tightly. Now we arrange three Peltier modules as we required in the particular distance. So we fix the fan in our direction casing. Now fix first one. These directions casings are available in any old computer shops. Then second, fan place, the 12-volt DC fan used in this project. Separate the positive negative wires of the fan, because all positive and negative wires get together in the end. So separate all positive and negative wires. Now second one is ready. Then last one, also third one, we set the fan. Okay, now we did. Okay, then take the cooling conduction plate. This is also available on any aluminum store near your house. So we place the aluminum plate on top of our Peltier modules. Okay, then place first fan and direction casing, then second And then third, tight all the fans to ties carefully, because these fans are so high speed. Tighten all the fan through the cable tie carefully. Now, extra ties remove. Okay, then we are arrange the wire, positive or negative wires. Okay, we take our fan and peltier's positive and negative wires. And the look of our project, the mini AC almost going to complete. Let's check it, viewers. Connect all the wires, negative wires which belong to peltier's module and our fan are get connect together. Yes, it's almost completed. Okay, then so this loop is negative, so the next one loop is positive wire, that is three of our peltier's module coming from and three are fan. So you're almost complete. Okay, okay, these two positive and negative wires, so we connect these two junctions to separate wires because we have to connect them to the batteries. These wires placing the prescribed routes. Okay, ready? Okay, place silicone to our nozzle, then other nozzle, the outlet nozzle. Connect positive negative wire to the battery. Then we take a bowl, fill the water circulating in aluminum pipe. Now we set the pump. This pump circulates the hot water through the jacket. jacket to this bowl. When our water reach in this bowl, so its temperature is down, and the down temperatures water again travel the hot water jackets and collect the heat to lower side of the Peltier modules, and then again water come in the bowl, its temperatures decrease, then again our pump is flow the hot water jacket. So this process is going, and our Peltier modules efficiency improve. As more water flows, as much water will dissipate heat lower side the Peltier modules as our upper side module cool. So it is necessary we dissipate the all heat the lower side of the Peltier modules, because as we dissipate the heat, so the resultant the upper side of the Peltier module produce more cool. Okay, we start the project. So heat our water is flow, this water collect heat to lower side of the Peltier modules. Now its temperature is gradually up, going to 26 to 35 in few minutes. Now the front side views, you see we take our sensor, the temperature sensor. So we get 10 degree temperature the first, then second is almost 10 degree centigrade, so we get 10 centigrade degree the third one. So we get cool air the outside. So we did get our result. So this water is so hot that it collect heat from the Peltier modules. Downside, our all nozzles are connected tightly. Our battery, 12-volt battery, connect tightly. Our project take almost 7 ampere right now. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe us